Building muscle isn't just about lifting heavy weights, it's about fueling your body with the right foods. In this video, I'll reveal 4 power-packed foods that can supercharge your muscle growth. These aren't just any foods, they're scientifically proven to help you achieve faster, leaner gains. Stick with me till the end to find out how you can transform your diet for ultimate results. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips, and smash the like button if you're ready to build muscle like never before. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Eggs, the ultimate protein bomb. Eggs are a gold mine for muscle growth. Why? Because they're packed with high-quality protein. Just the egg white alone delivers 15 grams of protein, including 1,300 milligrams of leucine, a crucial amino acid that turbocharges muscle synthesis. But don't toss the yolks. Egg yolks are loaded with zinc, about 3.4 milligrams per 100 grams, which boosts the production of IGF-1, a hormone essential for muscle development. Combine the whites and yolks, and you've got a nutrient-dense powerhouse for recovery and growth. Number 2. Milk, the complete muscle fuel. Milk is one of the most complete protein sources out there. It contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and tissue growth. Studies show that consuming milk after resistance training significantly boosts muscle protein synthesis. In a 12-week study, participants who paired milk with strength training gained more lean muscle and size compared to those who didn't. It's cheap, easy, and an ideal addition to your post-workout routine. For optimal results, drink 1 glass of milk within 30 minutes after your workout. Number 3. Beef, lean mass builder. Beef isn't just delicious, it's a muscle-building machine. Its protein structure mirrors human muscle composition, making it incredibly efficient at promoting growth. Research shows that eating just 135 grams of beef post-workout can help you gain up to 2.3 kilograms of lean mass in 8 weeks. Another study found that beef protein is just as effective as whey in building muscle while helping to reduce body fat. So, the next time you're meal prepping, add lean cuts of beef to your menu for maximum gains. Number 4. Chicken breast, the muscle-building staple. Chicken breast is the go-to protein for fitness enthusiasts, and for good reason. With 31 grams of protein per 100 grams and just 1.9 grams of fat, it's perfect for building lean muscle without extra calories. Studies have even shown that hydrolyzed chicken protein delivers muscle-building benefits comparable to beef and whey protein. Participants in one study gained 2 kilograms of lean mass just by incorporating chicken into their diets. Marinate chicken in lemon and herbs for a flavor-packed, low-calorie meal prep option. From eggs to chicken, these 4 foods aren't just meals. They're your secret weapons for building muscle faster and smarter. Incorporate them into your diet, and you'll see the difference in your strength and physique in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to FitWave Journey for more tips like this. And before you go, drop a comment below. Which of these foods is your favorite? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.